Now that our animation player is set up, we will now add an animation tree. In the animation tree, on the tree root, we will add a state machine. Now, if we hit the animation tree on the bottom, we'll now see the animation tree. We will add a blend tree, rename this to idle. Inside of this, we'll add an animation, connect these two nodes, and what we can do is we will not see any animations because we now need to connect the animation player to the animation tree by going over here, assign, and we'll go back into the idle, and now we should be able to select what we want. Now, if we scroll down, we'll find the idle in the basics. Here we go, idle B or A, whichever one you like. And let's just connect the start to the idle, and now we see our player doing the idle animation. Perfect. Now, what we want to do is repeat that for all the movements that we want. So for example, we will do walking, running, we'll do land, jump start, jump land, and jump idle. This is kind of the jump loop. So the jump loop, I kind of name it jump loop normally. All right, once you've finished that, we now want to connect everything with the connect nodes. We'll select this, and what we'll do is we'll connect the ones that we think want to be connected. So we should be able to go from idle to walk. We should be able to go from walk to run, run to jump start, walk to jump start, idle to jump start. Now we go to jump start to jump loop to land, and then land to idle. And that should be it. Now, inside of these nodes, let's switch off the mode auto. Inside of each one, just do that. Now, the initial start, we can leave this on auto. That's totally fine. Normally, we will be using all of these to control using code anyways, so it won't matter too much. Now, the end, just leave that empty and leave it to the side. And that is the basics of the animation tree of the nodes all set up. In the next part, we'll take a look at how we can actually use this and code our idle state so that we can use the animations. Like this video down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.